Hi. Hello.
Should I be in the clouds?
Or do I need a rubber ducky for all this soap?
Why, hello there, dear. Skin is prepped and ready to go for another Halloween look. For this look, I had to do a sketch first to sort of see what direction I wanted to go, and I love playing around with contacts, so I used two different colors today. Priming my skin with my Covergirl TruBlend primer. Recently fell back in love with my Blk Opal foundation stick, so I use that for my highlight areas. Blending it in with my Revlon Color Stay foundation in Cappuccino. And of course, a beat isn't complete without a little bake. And by little bake, I mean little. I bake for about 2 minutes. Any longer than that, I end up looking like a piece of chalk. Now, eyebrows are always going to be a little bit challenging, so don't beat yourself up if this takes you a while. Even I had to do a couple tries to make sure that those eyebrows matched each other. See, like even right here, they just wasn't popping. So I had to keep working at it. Success! Then I went in and used a light blue eyeliner and went on the ends of my eyebrow because that's where I want my blue color to end up. Now using my 252 Ultimate palette and a slanted brush, I'm going to grab a blue color, and I'm using matte colors, not shimmer colors. I'm going to use that matte light blue right on the ends of my eyebrow here. Now I'm using a matte white color to get the inner parts of my eyebrows. Now using my TruBlend Concealer stick, I'm going to go ahead and just put that all across my eyelid because I need all this eyeshadow that I'm about to put on my face to stick to something. Just spread it out and work it in with your fingers first to make sure everything's nice and even. Now because I'm using a ton of white, I went to one of my Maybelline palettes and I'm grabbing this white right here and I'm just going to press that onto my lid, all over my lid, inside of my tear duct area. Just wild strokes. Just get it all in there. Don't even worry about it. Get it all on the outside, get it all around your eye. It doesn't matter. You need this color to just spread. Now going back in with my blue liner and I'm lining my inner eye. Now for my cheek contour, I'm going to use my purple lipstick, yes, lipstick, and I'm placing that along my cheek and contour area and pressing it out with my finger, or your blender thingy. And because I took away some of my white, I'm adding some more back. This is my LA Color Shimmer Powder in purple, and I'm going to press that against my upper cheek to make a really beautiful pop. Back to my 252 Ultimate palette, I grab a nice deep purple and I'm just going to brush that in on the sides of my contour. And to give my lids some life, I'm going to add some yellow right on the inner part of my eye here. And for my under eye, I'm going to add a little bit of orange right underneath that blue. For some reason, I thought this just made it look so pretty. Now for a whimsical fairy dust kind of eye, I opted for white lashes. So I'm just using my white eyeliner and just pressing that against my lashes. And it does the job. I didn't have white mascara. So if you don't have white mascara, do not fear. Do this. And because I really wanted that inner tear duct to be white, I added a little more powder in there. Okay, dear, so this next part is a little bit tricky, but if you're familiar with anything called abstract art, I think you can do this. I have a bright pink matte lippy and a bright blue matte lippy, and I'm just randomly blotching these colors crisscross on my lips to create this insanely awesome color mix. It's crazy how this ended up looking. There was no plan to this, I just splatted this color across. So if you can splat, you can do this. The only thing to be mindful of is don't overlap your colors. Try to keep them in their own separate area. Add a little nose contour, use some of that white shadow to shimmer that nose, shimmer that upper lip. And if you don't have face paint, this is where you can end the tutorial. But if you do have face paint, go in with some white face paint here, and we're gonna add some freckles. I think this was the most fun part of this video. Just putting these freckles on was so fun. I kept thinking to myself, oh my god, so cute. Oh my god, so cute. And of course, all this paint stuff is optional if you don't have paint. But if you do, I mean, why not? I'm gonna put a white choker on, just cause. And I decided to add a second choker because I'm like, hey, this kind of looks cool. So again, I was winging it this entire video. Then I said, hey, why not outline my clavicle? And the best part about face paint, if you mess up, you just get a wet paper towel and you wipe that thing off and you're good to go. Like right here, I messed up my neck because I started moving around before I was dry, so I had to get a paper towel to clean that up. See, good as new. Now for my wig, very, very quick, very simple, so simple, I added a tutorial. Get you an old pillow or buy a new pillow, doesn't matter. Take the stuffing out of the pillow. This is your bread and butter for your wig, the stuffing. Gonna need a hot glue gun. Mini is fine. Then start gluing like crazy. What I did was put a stocking cap on my wig head and just started gluing the stuffing onto my wig head in clumps. Once you finish gluing all of your clumps, then you start fluffing the hair and styling. Well, it's not hair, but yeah, I get it. Doesn't it look like a cloud? Very important note though, put a plastic bag on your wig head first, so you don't run into this issue. Now that you're all caught up, time to put the wig on. So I couldn't find my pastel scarf to make this into a ponytail. I ended up using the dress that you see there on the right. Yep, that dress, to tie it into a bow. If you guys want to see that video, I'll link it below. And here we are, final look you guys. I'm all done. Either I'm a soapy gal or something else. A cloud. I really want to be a cloud. And once more, thank you guys for watching. If you thought this was an epic video, like, share, subscribe, comment. I'm with it. All of that. Thank you. Bye.